Before we go further, I'd like to introduce my colleagues and partners. We have on my right Mr. Cyril D'Souza, who is the Regional Director of the World Trade Center, Goa. Along with the World Trade Center, Goa, we have World Trade Center, Mumbai, and also All India Industries Association participating and partnering. We have two other prominent exhibitors, since the focus of this event is sustainable green Goa. We have two solar power and energy leaders, market leaders, I would say. We have Avada Solstice, and we also have Mahindra Powerol, Mr. Milind, who represents PowerSafe Engineers. With these few words, we can begin this press conference. We would send you a press release on mail, but more important is, what is the Goa International Trade Fair? Goa International Trade Fair is an event, it's a property, it's a brand that brings together different sectors of the Indian economy. We have the solar and energy sector, we have the organics agro sector, we have the logistics and other sectors like hospitality, cleaning, and so on. Perhaps most important is a pavilion which is coordinated by SEBI. SEBI is the Security Exchange Board of India, which is the apex body for coordinating and protecting the interests of the investors, the trading community. So along with SEBI, SEBI brings with them a number of other partners. If you look at the card that is here, the other partners are NSE, that is the National Stock Exchange, the BSE, which is the Bombay Stock Exchange, the MSE, which is the Metropolitan Stock Exchange, NSDL, which is the National Securities Depository Limited, AMFI, which is the Association of Mutual Funds, and the MCX, which is the Multi-Commodity Exchange. So today you see that import, export is being done, but we also have, for the local domestic Indian population, we have a large number of people not only getting into trading, but they are also getting into cryptocurrencies and things like that. So here we have an opportunity to meet people from the industry who can protect their interests. You have a lot of cybercrime happening, you have a lot of things happening that we need protection from the common investor or the common trader. So this is what is a major highlight of this program. I'd like to let the others take over, and then maybe we can... So Mr. Cyril is the Regional Director of the World Trade Center, and he's also putting together a seminar for the logistics sector. So I'd like to request him to say a few words.
Well, thank you, Mr. Joseph, Dr. Joseph. It's a pleasure being with you all. Thank you for coming here. Today, Goa needs market connect. And if I have to introduce to you the World Trade Center Goa, World Trade Center Goa is part of a network of 330 World Trade Centers across the globe, present in about 100 countries. all under the umbrella of the World Trade Centers Association based in New York. This network today comprises of almost 1 million businesses all across the globe. And we are here to support Dr. Joseph. We are here to support the Goa International Trade Fair because Mr. Joseph has put in a lot of hard work, as you might have seen in his introduction. Finance, stock exchanges, different types of sectors, right from agro, right up to logistics. And this is something what is needed by Goa. World Trade Center Goa will connect you, the local manufacturers, traders, service providers, through its network through the globe. And we will reinforce, we will strengthen what Dr. Joseph is doing here in Goa. It's a tremendous effort that through the Goa International Trade Fair, he is trying to not only project but give a ready market for all of your products and services. And in this endeavor, we will be with him, we will support him, we will support the Goa International Trade Fair. As Dr. Joseph said, we will also be organizing one good seminar on the logistics industry. Goa is in a unique position. We've got a very good harbor, which they have already now started to put into place, so many services. We have got an ICD, we have got a good rail facility, the row-on and row-off train. We also have good network of roads, and we have 2 international airports, and MOPA becoming logistics hubs in the near future. And through this exhibition, we would like to not only showcase what Goa is doing, but there will be a lot of other companies who are coming from all over India, some of them also coming from abroad, all coming to the shores of Goa, so that from here, through the Goa International Trade Fair, they can take a leap forward, hand-holding from the World Trade Center Goa, they can go to the global heights and increase their business and get returns on their investment. So I take this opportunity to wish Dr. Joseph and his team and the Goa International Trade Fair a big success.
Thank you, Mr. Cyril. I now request one of our major exhibitors, who is Avada and Solstice Power, to say a few words about the kind of products that we are bringing into Goa and launching in Goa. We'll also have the opportunity to speak to or to listen to Mr. Milind from Mahindra Powerol, as well as PowerSafe Engineers, which is also again from Goa. Sir.
Thank you, Mr. Joseph, for this opportunity. Myself, Amod Gavkar, I am representing Solar Solstice Power. And at this exhibition, we will be representing the Avada Group. The Avada Group is basically a Gujarat based, and they have introduced their first solar panel, which is of 720 watts, which is first in India. And through our organization, we are bringing that same panel in Goa. Along with this, there will be inverters, and we are also EPC vendors, and also we are doing the PM Mukta Bijli Yojana schemes. So there will be a lot of opportunities for Goan people. So even EPCs who are working in Goa, for them also there is a business opportunity. So I request all the EPC vendors to visit this exhibition and take this opportunity as a business point of view. Thank you.
May I now request Mr. Milind from PowerSafe to speak a few words.
Good evening, friends. My name is Milind Chaudhary, and I am representing my company PowerSafe Engineers. We are authorized sales and services for Mahindra generators for the Goa state, and we are looking this opportunity. Actually, Mr. Joseph is from long time. He is a very good friend of me. But this is my first time to be participated in the such type of exhibitions, and I thanks Mr. Joseph. He has convinced me and for a wonderful this, because it's the first time I think the power electric exhibition is happening in Goa, and all the partners in power generations, not only from the solar, battery energy storage systems, power generation or diesel generating systems, they are on the one platform. This is a very good opportunity for us also and for the our Goa vendors also, like the customers, hotel industries. So it will be a very good opportunities for that. So we are dealers for Mahindra and Mahindra generators. We are ranging from 5 kV till 1250 kV diesel generating sets, and we are showcasing our products also on the hands-on for the customers. Thank you.
Friends, this is a major sector, that is the solar sector. But there are other equally important sectors, like for instance, the agriculture and the organic sector. So we have a number of companies and a number of state government enterprises, agencies coming into Goa to highlight their products related to organics, related to horticulture, related to agriculture, and you will see many of them there. There are also tourism, kind of the sector of tourism represented. We also have other sectors that are, you know, the cleaning and the water quality management kind of sectors. So I would like to invite not only you all, but also invite your viewers or your readers to check this out, because this is a once in a lifetime opportunity that they will get. It's not that every second day such kind of events are not just rare, they don't happen in India. I mean in Goa. So we have ourselves been in Goa for the last 25 to 30 years organizing these events. And we bring these events that are rare, that are not seen in Goa. The entry has always been free. It's not that you have to pay something like abroad or even in other parts of the country. You have to pay money to get into the exhibition, to visit the exhibition. Here, this technology, this culture, this products, services are all coming to you free of cost. Open entry to the public. Not only that, when it comes to learning, a lot of your students, your youngsters can not only learn, there can be entrepreneurship, there can be startups, there can be many established units who can save time, money, energy, electricity. So it is a once in a lifetime opportunity that you are getting, and I would like maximum number of Goans to take advantage of this. As far as Trinity is concerned, Trinity, like I said, has been there for the last 30 years in Goa. We are a Goan company, but more than that, we are known throughout the country for organizing 3 Guinness World Records in Goa, all related to the food industry. So we have a lot of food people, and we've done this at the Shama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium at over the last 3 years back, and we currently also hold that record. Apart from that, we are also having partners like the Goa State Industry Association and a number of other people who are partnering with us. Finally, we are having the Public Service Excellence in Public Service Awards. So we would like to announce the Excellence in Public Service Awards, which go out. It's also the Hindi translation would be Rashtra Seva Awards. So we have these awards which we are going to give out to a large number of people, including ministers, including the mayor, including prominent industrialists, prominent people from Goa. So these awards will be distributed over 3 days of the event, and of course to our exhibitors who make valuable contributions to all these sectors of the economy. So I'm hoping that you will pass our message out, you will take it out to as many people as possible, and regularly repeat this, so that, because in Goa it's not just Susegad, it is that people sometimes don't even know, they are not exposed. We want you to expose them to this platform. The moment they see the platform, they go traveling abroad, but they don't know that the platform is available in India, is available in Goa. So we want to make sure that Goans take maximum benefit of this. With these few words, I'd like to answer any questions. You can put it to any one of us here.
How the support from government you get for this international trade fair?
Well, the government has been more keen on supporting us. We have our own connects as far as the industry is concerned. But the government has taken it on themselves to promote Goa and Goan business to India at large, not just India, even exports. So I'm happy to say our experience with the Dr. Pramod Sawant government has been excellent. We have received a lot of support from them, and they are quite proactive in pushing Goa forward.
Any more questions? That's all.
Okay. Thank you. And